We're sitting here with Melinda, and we did stem cell therapy with Melinda for plantar fasciitis, and she's had a really great experience. And we were just discussing what's happened over the last couple months. So, Melinda, if you could just kind of comment on a couple things you were just sharing with me.
Yes, well, when I came for this therapy, I was experiencing a great deal of pain. It was in my left foot, and after the therapy, very, very quickly I noticed an improvement in my foot. I can walk again. Most of the time I don't even notice any pain, and if I do, it's because I've really, really stressed it out, but it's gone away. So
That's fantastic. So you'd recommend this to others?
I absolutely would.
All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.